Hey everyone, I'm Catherine, a stock market analyst and an investor with the experience of 15 years. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about NVIDIA, one of the most powerful and talked about companies in the world right now. Its stock has exploded over the last few years, thanks to the AI boom. But the big question for investors is, should you still hold NVIDIA for the long term, or is it time to take profits and sell? Let's break it down simply. NVIDIA is basically the engine behind AI. They design the hype performance chips that power ChatGPT, self-driving cars, data centers, and even advanced robotics. In their latest quarterly results, NVIDIA made over $46 billion in revenue, up more than 50% year over year. Most of that money came from their data center and AI business, which is still growing super fast. They also announced a $60 billion share buyback program, which usually signals that the company believes its stock is worth keeping. And here's why long-term investors should be still confident, because AI isn't slowing down. Every tech company is building AI models, and NVIDIA's chips are the gold standard. Their software platform called CUDA locks developers in, making it really hard for competitors to catch up. NVIDIA is investing heavily in OpenAI and other AI startups, basically fueling the entire AI economy. They're also moving into robotics, healthcare, automotive, and simulation, all powered by AI. So if AI keeps expanding, NVIDIA stays at the center of it. But here's a disclaimer, which is important, that this is not a buy or sell call or any prediction, but I'm just sharing data with you that I usually do in my videos. You should do your own research before buying and selling. But my analysis could be helpful for someone. Anyways, but here's the flip side, guys. It's not all perfect. NVIDIA's valuation is so high, meaning expectations are sky high too. If growth slows even a little, the stock could pull back. Also, export restrictions on selling advanced chips to China could limit future sales. And of course, new competitors like AMD and custom AI chips from Google or Amazon could eat into market share. So yes, it's a leader, but it's not invincible. So if you're an investor, here are a few smart moves to think about. For short-term investors, I would suggest that watch for pullbacks. Buying during dips can give you better entry points. For medium term, you should hold your core position and maybe take partial profits if the stock rallies too fast. And for the long term, if you truly believe AI will power the next decade, NVIDIA is worth holding. Just manage risk with position sizing. Also remember, volatility is part of the game with high growth stocks. And by the way, NVIDIA isn't just a chip company anymore. It's becoming the infrastructure backbone of the AI era. Yes. If they keep innovating, expanding their software ecosystem, and investing in the right AI companies, long-term investors could still make serious gains. So my personal and final take is, for the long-term investors especially, that, again, this is not a financial advice, this is just data, but hold it smartly. NVIDIA has the potential to stay a market leader for years, and don't ignore the risks. Keep an eye on earnings, global policy, and competition. And if you believe in the AI revolution, NVIDIA is still one of the best ways to play it. So, everyone, if you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe for more stock updates, and tell me in the comments that, are you holding or selling your NVIDIA? And if I made any mistake, please correct me in the comments box. I would love to see this. Keep investing, keep growing. Bye!